The first solution is to restart your PC. For that, click on the start icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC after your system restarts. Now check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to update controller drivers. For that, first you need to connect your PC and controller. After that, click on the search icon over here, search for device manager, then go below and expand human interface devices, expand it, select your driver, and after that right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will update your driver. After this, check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, move to next solution, that is enable and disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you need to select enable Steam input. After doing this, launch the game and check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, again come back to controller and then select disable Steam input, and after that check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties and go to the install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and see if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to check for game updates. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game and here check if there is any update available for the game. If yes, then simply update your game and then check if controller or gamepad issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to launch Steam in big picture mode. For that, go to Steam and here you can see big picture mode option is available. Simply click on it and wait for few moments. After this, you need to select your game. So after selecting your game, now try to play and see if this works. If it's working, then you need to simply click on Steam option, then click on power and then click on exit big picture mode. So after this, check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates and here you need to click on check for updates option. If any update is available, update your Windows to the latest version and then see if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just open it in your browser and download and install DS4 Windows on your PC, and after that connect your controller and update it, and once done, launch the game and check if the error is resolved or not. So simply copy this link now. After the link opens, you need to simply click on download option over here, and after that download the DS4 Windows tool on your PC and then check if the issue is resolved or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix gamepad or controller not working in NBA 2K26 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.